Incredible.
I'm going to switch gears on you because last week there's been a tremendous amount of buzz about A&B, Alexander and Baldwin.
Yes.
Of course, very dear to Hawaii. They've got so many hands in there. Talk about that and what it means for the future of A&B.
Well, last week, Compass Point, which is a very well-respected analyst, and you know, they put out they started covering Alexander and Baldwin stock, and they initiated with a buy recommendation. What was eyebrow raising was that stocks trading around $39 a share when that came out, they're saying it's worth $58.
Wow.
That's a huge move. At that point, you're talking about a 50% increase almost, right? So why are they saying this? We've heard this before. They're saying that the parts are worth more than the whole. And so if you start breaking it down, and they're going to apparently going to come out with a more detailed report on this, but when you start breaking down the land holdings, you know, they got almost 90,000 acres of land in Hawaii, the fourth biggest landholder in Hawaii. The indication is they're going to be continuing to do that and to boost that up. Over 20,000 acres of those acres are saleable, so there's value there. They talk about Kukui'ula, the Kauai resort, worth $17 a share. They crunch the numbers to that. Grace Pacific that the A&B just bought that is worth X amount per share. So if they add it all up, they're saying it's $58. Market liked it. We moved up from the 39 to 41 plus, you know, a nice little 5% pop there on the stock price. But the thing is, with all these assets, they've got to make money off of them. We talked about the banks making money. They have to, you know, land is land, but how do you realize that value? A&B's been pretty good at that. And so, you know, we could see that moving forward. They are now separated from Matson, so they can be more focused and concentrated on that property division. So it remains to be seen, but they're definitely putting a floor on the stock, no doubt.
Did the Kaneohe Ranch deal, is that Powell already? They own, A&B owns Kaneohe Ranch right now?
Pretty much.
Pretty much Powell too.
Yep.
So they continue to get
There's a lot of value
in land value.
And they're showing, you know, what they said, that we're going to start concentrating more on our home.
Focus on that, yeah.
And they're moving in that direction, and people are liking it. So, again, the $58,
kind of high.
But it puts a floor underneath that stock, no doubt.
Randy, thank you very much. And thanks for bringing it all back home to us, to appreciate having local news in that as well.